snorkeling here, ma'am, that is a marine protected sanctuary here. That is protected. So that's why if you want to go down, ma'am, and swim, you're gonna pay for extra. If you have a goggles or if you have your own goggles. Rock formation po. And then, ma'am, yung mga gandang resort na mula dito sa likod, ang pangalan po nang nasa taas, ma'am, yan po ay Saboy. Saboy ang Belmont Hotel, ma'am.
Wow,
Yan yung
kanay.
golf area niya sa kabila.
Saboy Hotel, Saboy Belmont.
Condo unit,
Nice,
special, siyempre yan. Murang hotel po yan, mura.
Mura, mga pila ka kamura. Mapapamura ka sa... Pinapibawal na.
Okay, ma'am, I think our first destination will be the Iligan Beach, ma'am. I'm so sorry, ma'am, because we are not in good condition, weather good condition, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, we travel only Highland hoping for safety first, ma'am, sir. So, your safety, ma'am, is our first priority here, okay? So, if you don't know how to swim, ma'am,